We're here again.
Morning everybody, we're here again, back at Newark Showground for the Midland Machinery Show 2022. We've got Bob and the Duke at the back, and we've got a third of a mile to walk to get to the entrance. So yeah, we'll see you inside the show. Come with us, come and have a look round. We'll see you soon. Well, we're in. Just got through the door and the first thing you see is the barnstormer. Look at that for a pusher-upper. My word. That's a muck spreader. Yeah. Sprays. Chippers and choppers and woodworking things. Cuts it, logs it, up the conveyor, into the truck. Quad bike, Jane and Amy can only dream of that. Here we go, radio controlled digger. Radio controlled digger, and it's been controlled from up there. There he is. But they can't cut these trees down fast enough to get through that machine. This is the future, all the radio controlled, self-propelled equipment. Farm track, don't know them. Bob's found the Zetas already. He's looking at his new tractor. Is that what you want? A crystal for Christmas? Everybody wants a crystal for Christmas. Front suspension on a Zeta. Look at that. Yeah, I bet it rained all day, didn't it? Oh God. Is it? Frontier.
Crystal's biggest, I think. It won't have this.
Here we are in the new, what is it, the Crystal HD 170 Zeta. Radio, aircon lights, lighting control panel. New dashboard. Very nice, very comfortable. Yeah, plenty of room for a dog. You even got twin beacons.
Yeah, there's two on this, yeah.
Twin beacons here.
Yeah. Yeah, there's two on this.
Cubby hole. Another radio or CB hole, speakers, surround sound, sunroof. Better than my car. There we go, that's the new cab. Yeah. I bet it vibrates that. Plenty of work lights on it. Proxima. Leave and do a baler now. Zeta. And a drum mower. Nice little drum mower over there, look.
Yeah, but the hydraulics are only on the actual, they use auxiliary hydraulics. Like on that one, they're only on there to lift the 50 deck. The actual drive is a belt drive.
There we go, crew cab Unimog. Look at that. That's a beast. And a smaller one. Log splitter here for Briggy. Electric hydraulic one.
Not all weighted actually pick up.
JCBs. Case. It's alright, isn't it? Yeah, keep all your spanners in that, can't you?
Okay, go along. The large demonstration area, alongside 3 in the northern area of the carrier.
As I mentioned before, this is an Agri Extra to make our machines manoeuvrable for you.
Big class.
First down, we have the well there.
Duke and Bob, they've been seduced by a Massey.
Not at a 45 degree angle.
Yeah.
Susceptible to damage. We move that
Been seduced by a Massey, haven't you? No. He gets confused. He thought it was Zeta because it's red. Yeah. Does seem low, yeah.
Yeah, it's been very low, yeah.
Yeah, you haven't got much lift, have you? On your heel.
The automatic transmission like we had, Bob.
Yeah.
Oh, bloody hell.
Yeah.
Bob's having a go now. He's been seduced. How's that come out then? Oh, it's one of them, is it? One of them. Does it swivel that? Does it swivel that seat to come out or what? See, it's got a seat belt. Bob's struggling with passenger seat. Can't undo it. Perhaps it's broke. Can't get it out. Alright. We've had to call an expert in to get the passenger seat to work. Ah, hey, there we go. Quadzilla. Wheel weights on it. Go on, you're alright. Wheel weights and double wheels on this side. Chandler's again. Little Merlot. The one for the sheep fans, double tier sheep trailer. What? Oh no, massive, aren't they? They're massive. That's bigger than you, that Bob, that tyre. Even wheel weight's bigger than you, Bob. Guess what? What's that? Bob's Christmas present there, look. That's all he wants.
So, 285 for the door, got a small side window, it's 159 if you want to do that.
The Grenadier. It's a Land Rover, BMW, Range Rover, everything. Hybrid cross in it. Mitsubishi. Got everything in it. You having a look? Sit in it, Bob. Like an aeroplane, that, isn't it? Look at that. What's it do though? You've just shot somebody out at bike. What's in there? Look at gear stick.
Same with this,
It's automatic, isn't it?
Automatic, yeah.
I couldn't get in here behind you. Can't get in there, that way it's seated that.
No, you'd not get in there, would you?
Even when he's on much straighter. There's
No,
a bit more room, but there's not a lot.
You would have to hang on side on them grab handles, like they do in India. Let's have a look at B&B tractors.
The mobile line Blue Gate and the tasty light across the pool.
Mini Manitou. It's nice, 4 metre reach.
Too big.
A Sani digger. Don't know that one. Big Fent. We're just on the red bike stall trying the hats on. How do I look? Bit Australian. Duke's going to try one on.
What do you do? It sounds like it, what?
Go on then, try one on, see what you look like. I bet you look a bit Australian with it on. There's loads of. How's that look? That cute rain off you, wasn't it? Yeah.
Board working to its optimum. In addition to that, part of the Eco Drive system is the ability to have what we call a cruise control in effect. It also has a heavy mode and it has an eco mode as well.
Vegetables.
Yeah.
It's therapeutic, isn't it? Therapeutic watching that. Don't know why. Alright, that's it. Machinery show done. 2022. We've done it again, and we've all got bags of stuff. Been carrying around all day. So now we're sun setting over the tents, and we're off back to the farm, home. We start work now, can't we?
Yeah.
That's it. Don't forget, if you liked it, click like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.
You're frosting, aren't you?
A frost?
Frosting, aren't you?
Ooh, flipping egg.
That's quite good, isn't it?
That's it. We'll see you on the next one.